Hi, I'm Iwamoto from Kobayashi-Foods. Today, I'll show you how to make Japanese soba buckwheat noodle that used delicious soup from dried bonito flake. After having seen this video, you will be able to do it. I promise to you. Let's begin it. Please prepare for these to cook delicious soba. There is two kinds of soup to the soba. The first is hot soup. This soup is lightly flavored. The second is dipping sauce. This soup is dark taste. A difference of two soups is a ratio of kaeshi and dashi. About the hot soup, the ratio of kaeshi and dashi is 1:8. About the dipping sauce, the ratio of kaeshi and dashi is 1:3. This time, I introduce a recipe to make dipping sauce. This is a list to make 600 ml of dip sauce. About kaeshi, the ratio of soy sauce, mirin, and sugar is 5:1:1 ratio. Soy sauce is 100 gram. Mirin is 20 gram. Mirin is a type of sake with low alcohol and high sugar content. And sugar is 20 gram. About dashi, the ratio of water, dried mackerel flake and dried bonito flake is 50:1:1 ratio. This time, I add the dried kelp for increasing umami taste. Water is 500 gram. Dried mackerel flake is 10 gram. Dried bonito flake is 10 gram. And dried kelp is 2 gram. And the amount of buckwheat noodles for one person is 100 gram. At first, I make kaeshi. I put 100 ml of soy sauce and 20 gram of mirin and 20 gram of sugar in the pan. I heat the pan by medium fire while stirring it. I change it to the low temperature before boiling. And I warm it for 5 minutes. Five minutes after, turn off the fire. And kaeshi is okay. Then I make dashi. If I use the kelp, I soak it in water for 1 hour to draw taste of the kelp. I heat up by medium fire with putting kelp. Because I don't take out slime of the kelp, I take out kelp before boiling. After having taken out kelp, I boil to take the smell of the kelp. I switch to a low fire and I put dried mackerel and dried bonito in the pan and boil them for about 20 minutes. Twenty minutes later, I turn off the fire. I filter broth through kitchen paper. I I boiled soba. I boiled it using much water in another pan. More than 1 liter of water are preferable for 100 grams of buckwheat noodles. I boil it at time to be written on a product in boil time. This time, I boil it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I wash it with cold water if I finish boiling it. In order to take the surface slime of the buckwheat noodles, I wash well. I match dashi with kaeshi. About the dipping sauce, the ratio of kaeshi and dashi is 1:3. Kaeshi puts 2 cups of spoons. And dashi puts 6 cups of spoons. It is delicious when I add spices such as sliced leek, grated ginger, the wasabi. いただきます。It's delicious. Thank you for all seeing it. See you.